The aftermath of the corn explosion. Papa's really lingering. Oh my goodness. Hungry lady ducky. Discovered quick. Everyone likes corn. The baby's very dainty about it. You going now, dude? He flapped his wings earlier. It was intense, but I didn't catch it on video or anything. I would be much obliged if you do it again, but I think you're like falling asleep right now, dude. You're so sleepy. He's so sleepy. I'm sorry, did I call you out? Oh, you're very sleepy. Oof. Bit of preening. Whoa, whoa. Messed around with the zoom too much. Hello, Coot. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Oh, both parents are here now. Y mama y papa. All the babies are floating around taking naps now. They got full bellies. This one's still hungry. And now we have two Coots here. Good stuff. Someone else left rice before we came, so... And one's not as hungry as they usually are. Huh, Mama? You're very pretty. The baby's digging for gold. Whoa! Ducks fighting. And duck bells in the background. Every time I turn my camera to the Coots, they get scared, but this one's brave. The ducky ducks. Boys. The camera's scary. I need to stop moving it. Because that's scary. I'm gonna zoom out so we can see everything. Because the camera's scary and that's completely fair. It shouldn't move. It's not allowed. Huh, Papa? You're so relaxed. You winking at me. You coming over for some more? Because there's a whole treasure trove over here. Lettuce and rice and corn. Yeah. Skeety man. Hello, Miss Duck. Hello, Miss Duck. Hello to Miss Ducks. You spotted that over there that was left by my sister. Or you haven't. There goes Mama. Papa's highly considering doing something over here. You want that corn, huh, dude? You can reach it. You got it. You got it, dude. If you want it. No looking. Are you aware that your babies are mostly leaving, sir? There goes a gull. I didn't catch it because my camera was tilted down. If I move back the way. Is it less scary now? Nope. There's a tufted duck over there. Note that the absence of sister is due to coldness. She went to the park, I guess. I didn't know that was her plan. I don't think it was. Oh my goodness. Noisy. You got so fluffy self. Do you want corn, dude? Here. Is that what you're after? Or are you just chilling? I guess you're just chilling.
Yeah, and once some poisonous. I don't need to know.